This would be my wonderful latest piece of crap art. As you can tell, it is a custom build. I haven't custom built a computer in quite some time. Probably too long. But I did have to use an HP motherboard for this. It's fed in here just so I have the HP marking on there. And tell you a little bit about this piece of crap. One of my other experience. As you can tell up there, it does have SCSI. But what is really tricky about it is that it has a standard city burner on it, which is top. It has a 320 gigabyte hard drive, and there's another 160 gigabyte that's in there. They're not configured yet to work with it. I'm being lazy, can't find the right software, and I'm running Ubuntu. I've been thinking about a few different operating systems, but nothing's been successful so far. Right now, this actual computer has 512 megabytes of RAM and a 700 megahertz Celeron processor. Also, there's 3 hard drives, besides the 320 and then 160. There's the third one, which is a SCSI hard drive, which is only 20 gigabytes, and that's where the Ubuntu operating system is held. It also has a, as I said earlier, zip drive and a floppy disk drive. But there's a little trick to it. I get bored a lot, and I decide that I just want to make my own computer sometimes, and it tends to get a little out of hand. And on the inside of here, there are 4 fans. I can actually turn off my window fan, and I'll let you guys do it. Now, pretty sure you can hear it. There's a fan here pulling off this hard drive and this reader, because when I read that it does get hot. And then there's a fan down here. Hold on. And then there's a fan down at the bottom that also sucks some cool out of the 2 hard drives down here in the PCI. There are 2 output fans. There's the top one, the power supply. Mass amounts of hot air. Now to actually open this frame up, to show you the delicious insides, I am actually gonna have to unscrew a screw. Takes no time to do. And expose the interguts. And as you can already tell on the inside, there's a vent that I use to suck heat from the heatsink, which is not standard on this computer. I had to do some modifications to get it on there. And then, if you can take a look, there's the 320 gigabyte one. So I can zoom in on the actual screen. Yeah, right there, 320 gigabyte. And then down here is the other one. I have no idea what the marking was for the size. Oh, right there. 160 gigabyte. And below that is the Beastie SCSI, which is on the way. Wired in, and then there's the intake fan, which is also wired in. It's on special kind of way. That is really a giant vent. All fans in here are on that, and then if you can just peek around in there, you see there's another fan right there. Go like this, and that hard drive. They are quite beastly. Yes, yes indeed. Pretty huge. So I actually got pretty bored and decided to build a really stupid machine. Runs pretty well. Here's a look at the desktop. Actually, I can bring up Internet Explorer. I'm sorry, honestly, Internet Explorer means my PC today. Mozilla Firefox, and I can also browse my network. Let me bring it up quite big here. Go down to Places, Network. Take it around over to Facebook, and then Windows Network, which what you see right there. And I can see my server is right here, which is like that away, far that away, and shared docs. That's on the folder, and voila, all that glorious crap that I don't need, like Unreal Tournament, music, and crap like that. Yeah, streams it live over my Switch. It's just chilling there.
I'm just a normal boy that sank when I fell overboard. My ship will.
Alright, so I was asked by